Okay, guys, we're going to open this brainrot on Lucky Block in 45 seconds. We got this guy again. I just started vid. We are opening up this Lucky Block. Come watch me open up Lucky Block. Three, two. Open. Come on, imagine. Hey, Orca, that's not bad. That's not bad. They had a new brainrot. It's like 30% chance. It's like the second worst. But hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Orca. 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 I'll take it. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's sick. But it's the same. But I'll take it. Orca Dookie is not bad. Not bad. Guys, already making us 40 million. Oh. Oh, where are you going? Oh my god. Bye, guys.